Chen ZheYuan is a Chinese actor and singer. He was born on October 29, 1996 in Shenzhen, China. In 2021, he starred in Our Secret. The same year, he also played 12 Legends. He graduated from the Department of Performance of Shenzhen University. He started off in the industry with a fairly successful career. In 2020, Chen became known to audience after starring in wuxia drama Handsome Siblings. Based on the novel Juedai Shuangjiao by Gulong. The same year, he also played a Renascence and Detective Chinatown. The young actor is extremely renowned and has gained a lot of fame and popularity at such a tender age. He was praised for his portrayal of the protagonist Xiao Yer. He was cast in the historical drama Winner is King, based on the novel Chapeau by Priest alongside Chen Zhe. He displayed his wide range of acting skills in both the serious roles and dramatic roles equally. He is set to play the male lead role Changeng. In 2017, Chen made his acting debut in the youth drama All Our Secrets based on the novel by Rao Ziuman. He became more successful in her profession within a limited period of time, where he influenced people on the basis of his career and earned a lot of fame. In 2018, Chen starred in the fantasy wuxia drama The Legend of Jude 2. The same year, he made his big screen debut in the comedy film Miss Puff. He then starred in the costume comedy drama Hello Dear Ancestors and the suspense web drama Detective Chinatown. The same year, he also played She is Beautiful. He enjoys in his job and continues to try the best he can. That is the reason why most people know Chen ZheYuan as a famous movie actor with an impressive fan base. Their support helped him achieve some of his long-term career goals. In 2015, Chen participated in the variety program King of Pop and subsequently debuted as a part of the boy group Mr. Bio. In 2018, he starred in Miss Puff.